Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best stove oven cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools in any kitchen, tackling stubborn grease, baked-on food, and burnt residues that accumulate on your stovetop and oven surfaces, ensuring a hygienic and aesthetically pleasing cooking environment. This powerful cleaning solution is designed to cut through tough grime with minimal scrubbing, saving you valuable time and effort while restoring the shine and cleanliness of your appliances. Whether you're dealing with everyday splatters or deep-seated stains, a reliable stove oven cleaner can make a significant difference in maintaining the overall appearance and functionality of your kitchen. Number 5. Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner Kit. Weiman is the #1 selling and most trusted brand for stainless steel cleaning products. You can rely on us for the best results. Our pH-neutral formula quickly cleans and shines all your stainless steel surfaces. It also provides protection without removing scratches. This cleaner is designed for convenience, quickly restoring the shine to all stainless steel surfaces. Its pH-neutral formula is safe for all compatible surfaces. Keep your black stainless steel looking its best. Our polish leaves a protective barrier that resists fingerprints, dust, dirt, and smudges. Use it on refrigerators, microwaves, ovens, stoves, grills, sinks, range hoods, trash cans, and more. It's perfect for all your stainless steel needs. This value kit includes everything you need: a bottle of spray cleaner, a microfiber cloth, and stainless steel wipes for a complete cleaning experience. What we like? This is the #1 selling brand for stainless steel care. It effectively cleans and polishes all your stainless steel appliances, leaving a protective barrier against fingerprints and smudges. If you are looking for a trusted and comprehensive solution for your stainless steel surfaces, this is the one to get. What people say. It effectively removes fingerprints, smudges, and streaks, leaving surfaces shiny and polished. The application is easy, and the finish lasts longer than expected. It works incredibly well, removing my kids' fingerprints from all of our stainless steel appliances and drying streak-free every time. Number 4. Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish. Introducing the ultimate solution for your stainless steel appliances. It's designed to bring back the original shine and brilliance to your surfaces. Tired of stubborn grease and grime? This powerful cleaner effortlessly cuts through tough messes, leaving your appliances spotless. Say goodbye to unsightly fingerprints and smudges. Our formula effectively removes them, ensuring a clean and pristine look every time. Water spots and sticky residue are no match for this cleaner. It tackles them with ease, restoring the smooth finish of your appliances. Achieve a brilliant, streak-free shine with every use. It polishes your stainless steel surfaces to perfection, making them look brand new. This versatile cleaner offers a 3-in-1 action: cleaning, polishing, and protecting your stainless steel. It's the only product you need for appliance care. What we like? This cleaner offers a powerful 3-in-1 action, designed to cut through tough grease and grime. It leaves behind a brilliant, streak-free shine on your appliances. If you need a quick and effective solution for everyday messes and want your stainless steel to look its best with minimal effort, this spray is ideal. What people say. It works great on my stove top and oven. This cleaner is very effective at removing tough grease and grime. The product has a pleasant scent and is easy to use. Number 3. Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish, 2-pack. Tired of smudges and streaks on your appliances? Discover the ultimate solution for a spotless finish. It's designed to make your stainless steel gleam like new. Keep your kitchen looking pristine with advanced fingerprint protection. This formula actively repels smudges, maintaining a clean look for longer. Enjoy a surface that stays cleaner between uses. Achieve a flawless, streak-free shine every time. Our powerful cleaner and polish works on all your stainless steel surfaces. It leaves nothing behind but a brilliant, reflective finish. From refrigerators to ovens, this cleaner is your go-to solution. It's perfect for dishwashers, grills, and more. Keep all your major appliances looking their best with one powerful product. Get the perfect finish with the included premium microfiber cloth. It's designed to enhance the cleaning power and ensure a scratch-free shine. Experience the difference a quality cloth makes. This convenient 2-pack ensures you're always ready for cleaning. Keep one where you need it most and have a backup ready. Enjoy long-lasting shine and protection for your appliances. What we like. This product is specifically formulated to protect your appliances from unsightly fingerprints and smudges. It ensures a beautiful, streak-free shine, making your kitchen appliances look brand new. If you have a busy household with frequent touch-ups needed or want to stock up on a reliable cleaner, this 2-pack with a microfiber cloth is a great choice. What people say. It works on older stainless as well, giving it a nice sheen and removing grease buildup. Highly recommend as daily cleaner and also for restoring older stainless steel surfaces. Cleans quickly and easily and prevents new fingerprints and smudges. It easily removes fingerprints, smudges, water spots, and other residue, leaving appliances with a nice streak-free shine. Number 2. Easy Off Oven Cleaner. Tired of scrubbing stubborn grease and baked-on food? This powerful cleaner cuts through the toughest grime with ease. Simply spray it on and wipe it off. It makes cleaning your oven a breeze, saving you time and effort. Achieve a sparkling clean oven without harsh scrubbing. Enjoy a fresh, clean kitchen with minimal work. Formulated for effectiveness, it tackles even the most challenging messes. It's the perfect solution for a spotless oven. Get the brilliant shine you desire with this reliable oven cleaner. It's your go-to for a truly clean oven. What we like. This cleaner is designed to tackle the toughest baked-on grease and grime inside your oven. Its powerful formula works effectively to lift away burnt food and residue, making oven cleaning less of a chore. If you're dealing with a heavily soiled oven and need a no-nonsense solution that gets the job done, this is the product for you. What people say. Works great on tough baked-on grease and grime. Just spray, let it sit, and wipe clean, no heavy scrubbing needed. The cleaner removes baked-on food spills and grease buildup. It just works. It makes oven cleanup a lot easier. It saves a ton of time, and it helps make your stovetop shine. It really helps soften the grease etc. and allow for an easy wipe. I also used the cooktop scraper tool, on the inside glass door, and those two combined got everything off. Number 1. Weiman Ceramic and Glass Cooktop Cleaner. Introducing the Weiman Ceramic and Glass Cooktop Cleaner. It's a heavy-duty solution designed to tackle tough messes on your cooktop. This powerful cleaner works to remove burnt-on food and grease. Achieve a sparkling clean finish with minimal effort. Each bottle comes with 3 scrubbing pads. These pads provide the extra abrasive power needed for stubborn stains. Not only does it clean, but it also polishes your cooktop. Keep your surfaces looking like new with this all-in-one solution. It's the perfect companion for maintaining the beauty of your ceramic and glass cooktop. Experience a new level of clean. What we like. This cleaner is specifically formulated for ceramic and glass cooktops, handling heavy-duty cleaning needs. It comes with scrubbing pads to help you tackle stubborn stains and burnt-on food without scratching the surface. If you have a glass or ceramic cooktop and are looking for a specialized cleaner that can restore its shine and remove tough marks, this kit is perfect. What people say. The cleaner effectively cuts through grease, splatters, and cooked-on residue without requiring excessive scrubbing. It leaves my stovetop looking clean and shiny with no streaks or hazy buildup. This stuff works. Gently scrubbed with this cream and the pad, and it completely took off the burned food. It was so easy, and my stove is as smooth and beautiful as it was before. It removes tough spots quickly and leaves a beautiful polished finish that makes my cooktop look like new every time. My cleaning routine is noticeably faster and smoother thanks to this product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.